Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 90 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler. Feels like we're getting very close to the end, but there's still so much to do. It's quite worrying and a little bit scary. Looking at the magazine, we've got the cart with 1,000 lives. Does the Batmobile get destroyed a lot in the comics? He gets broken a bit, but he doesn't have insurance either, does he? There's a whole thing about insurance fraud because Batman can't have insurance because he's not a person. But yeah, New Crisis. Here we go. James Robinson writing that. Good stuff. Is that the Great White Shark? Okay. Right, so this is the rack support and engine cover. We've got some stuff to do. The motor bracket making up, fitting the roof part that I figured was going to go together. We're now fitting that together with that going in there, and then we're fitting another motor to that with a cover over the top of that. Good. Then we've got a tiny little spring to play with. Putting that into spring support assembly into your work surface on the rack. Okay. I'm not entirely certain what bit that's got to be the internal rack for the bit that we were doing last time. We're just building that ready for next time, and next time we've got the interior upper panel. So yeah, it's all coming together. So let me clear this out of the way and we'll figure out how it all works. So we have the metal rack piece that we're going to be playing with in a minute. The tiny little spring and holder that goes into. I've dug out the motor, the correct one from that. We've got 4 different types of screws, upside down just to make life easier for me. We're going to need AP to begin with. Got a couple of those. There we go, one left in there. That will go in our spares pile. We'll put them aside later. So we don't need that. We do need that. It's going onto there. That way up. There, like so. Yep. 2 screws will go through that and hold that together. That together. In there. Get the other one in and then worry about tightening it up. Come on. Do you want to? Why am I having so much trouble with this one? The other one was no trouble at all. Better. So there we have that. Good. Can't really place anything with that. It's not making sense to me. I'm sure it will soon. Yes, it's just saying about AP. Then it says about 2 more AP, but I only need 1 more. Yeah. Okay. Then we need, from ages ago, we've got our entire roof assembly and the bit with the rack on it. That is going on there. So I imagined it would. Just like that. So we need, what have we got? 5 CP screws to hold that together. CM. CM, yep, not CP. Because it's metal. CM screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a whole batch still in there, so we're going to be using those again in a minute. Right, let's see. We've got 1 in the middle, 1 either side there. That's in. Not tight yet, but we'll worry about that in a minute. 1 and 3 across the back. let's get the middle one in. 2 more over there, and then this piece needs to go onto there as well, onto these 2 posts. Oh, 3 posts, that one there as well. Yeah, there we go. So that will go on there like that as well, with the CM screws too. So let me get all that done behind the scenes, and then we'll finish off with fitting the motor bit. Right, that's that attached, all secure on there. The motor will now go into it. Out the bottom bit. Go in there like that. Okay, with the cover over the top of it. Put it all together. Secure in there that way round. Seems better that way round. That is the way round. Okay, so yes, that's going to go on there like that, with that over the top of it. Like that. And the EM screws will hold that together. Okay, I have put together, you might have noticed there, the little spring into the little plastic bit, just because it was very, very tiny. I was worried about it going missing and getting lost, so I've put that together. So I've only got that one bit to worry about, rather than the 2 bits to try and put together on screen. Nothing to really write home about with that. That's that. This is going to go in there, isn't it? But for now, no, that's that for that. This is then going onto there. I've got to get it the right way round. With the bit, with the pin coming out that way round. Goes on there like that YM with the built-in washer bit over the top of that. That can't escape. Not entirely certain what that bit is, but that needs tightening up as well. I need to make sure that's popped out again. Spring bit into there, so I shall play around with that and get that lined up, and then get that tightened up. But then that is it. Another issue done. Not any moving parts on this yet, but yeah. So the bottom bit's going to fit onto that. That's going to be a rack bit. That way? Why is that going that way? I don't quite understand it. Hopefully it will all become clear when we get it assembled. We're going to need other bits for this to activate as well, the flap things, but yeah. Right, that's it for now. Join me for issue 91 in a couple of days, when we figure out exactly how it all goes together, I think. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.